Guys, here's another project that one of my crews went ahead and tore out an old vinyl seawall was here, and we've got a new Everlast vinyl seawall installed. We've got a barge on the way right now. We're going to install an elevator lift on the side right here. That's how you know your wall's been done right there. Barge has made it over from the boat ramp where we actually loaded the elevator lift and the pilings. A little bit easier access getting it in the backyard. Just install it from the barge.
Day out here.
Yeah, it is. One piling set, one more to go.
You're okay with the hose.
Got the protractor on there, trying to check our angles right now. Good deal. Getting I-beams driven down to the ground. Constantly checking the angle, make sure we're staying at 22.5 degrees. Got the cradle beams put into place. Ready to get the winch plates and the motors installed on top, and we'll get the cables hooked up. Then we'll come back and get the bunk boards put on.
You're making my fingers hurt still. I can't.
reason for the elevator style lift is due to not being able to put pilings out into the channel area because of width restrictions. Hey y'all, we're getting this project here wrapped up. I think it turned out real good. We got plenty more projects coming up. Some 4-piling boat lifts, boat houses, some online decks, some storage cabinets. If you would subscribe to the channel, you won't miss out, and hit like, please. If you got a comment or something I'm not explaining too well, just leave me a comment. I'll see if I can address it. Thanks.